Starting on all fours, we're going to go into cat-cow. So when you go up into your cat, you're going to arch your back, pull your belly button in, and as you start to go into cow, you're going to arch your back, look up, chest forward, and you can breathe in. And as you go into cat, you can breathe out. See if you can find a little bit of a rhythm where you arch your back and look up and breathe in. And as you breathe out, you're rolling your back into cat. Now you're going to find a neutral spine. We're going to go into bird dog. In bird dog, you're going to take your right leg out. Be careful not to roll your hips up, but make them level the way Kim just corrected herself. Make sure your hips are level, and when you find your balance, bring your left arm up. You're looking straight at the top of your mat, and then go to the other side. This is a exercise of balance and an exercise of core strength. This is one of the best exercises there is for your spine because you're building that stability in your core muscles as you try to keep your leg and opposite arm up. Make sure you're using your core muscles to keep those legs and arms doing what they need to do.